Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video session, I'm going to explain a factorial calculation. I will explain how to draw the flowchart, how to write the algorithm, and how you will run the program in Python programming language. Let's start the session. This is my program. Write a program to find the factorial of a given number. First of all, I'm going to draw the flowchart. First of all, I will use a start symbol. Then I will take an input symbol, input, enter a number in variable n. Then I will initialize two variables with value 1, fact equal to 1 and x equal to 1. Fact equal to 1, why I have taken this helping variable? Because I want to multiply by a number. When I will multiply by a number, it will not be in effect of the multiplication. That's why if I will multiply by 1, it will not be effect of the that amount. Next, if x less than equal to n is the number that I want to calculate the factorial. Now if they will check if x is less than equal to n, then it will go to the yes part, and in yes part I have written fact equal to fact multiplied by x, and fact contains a value of 1 and x is a looping variable, and it will contain the value from 1 to n. Then it will increment by 1, and then it will move to again at that condition, and it will check if that value of x is less than equal to that number, then it will false. Then this condition will be false, it means loop will be stopped. Then it will display the factorial, and then program will be ended. This is the flow chart. Now I'm going to write an algorithm. I have written this algorithm. Factorial of n, it will take one n parameter, and then fact equal to 1, then x equal to 1, while x less than equal to n, then do fact will get the value of fact multiplied by x, and x is will get the value from x plus 1, and then it will be ended. Now I will show you the dry run of this program one by one. First of all, n. Suppose I want to calculate the factorial of number 5. Fact will get value 1, x will also get value 1, and then it will check that 1 is less than equal to 5. Yes, this is true. In case of true, it will move the body of the loop. In the body of the loop, I have written fact equal to fact multiplied by 1. Now value of fact is 1 and value of x is also 1. Then it will calculate first right side, 1 multiplied by 1, it will give you 1. After this, value of x will become 2. Then it will check 2 is less than equal to 5. Yes, this is true. Now in this case, it will again enter into the body of the loop, and it returns 1 times 2. A value of fact is 1. Now value of x is 2. 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 is given to the variable fact. Next one is x will increment by 1, that will become 3, and then it will check 3 is less than equal to 5. Yes, and now in this case 2 multiplied by 3, value of fact is 2 and value of x is 3. 2 times 3, it will become 6, and 6 will given to the variable fact. Then incremented by 1, and now value of x will become 4, and then it will check 4 is less than equal to 5. Yes, then it will multiply by 6 times 4. The value of fact is 6. The value of x is 4 times 6, it will give you 24, and 24 is given to the variable fact. And then it will move to the next statement, that is x equal to x plus 1. Now value of x will become 5, and then it will check the condition. 5 is less than equal to 5. Yes, it is true. And now 24 times 5, they will give you 120, and 24 is the value of the fact, and 5 and 5th is the value of the variable x. Now fact contains a value that is 120, and then it will move to the next variable, next statement, that is x equal to x plus 1. Now value of x will become 6, and then it will check to the again condition. 6 is less than 5, that is wrong, means the 6 is not less than 5, then the body of the loop will not be executed. Then it will move to the last statement, mean a falling of the body of the loop, and that is statement number 7, and return fact. It will return a number that is 120. From where you will call this function, in that place it will return this value 120. Now I will show you the program. This I have written a program. This is my main. Input, enter the number. Here I will ask to enter the number. Number will store into variable n, and then the factorial. I will call to this factorial routine, factorial subroutine, or you can say factorial function. This is factorial function. I have written the same. Fact equal to 1, x equal to 1, while x less than equal to n, fact equal to fact time x, then x equal to x plus 1. I want to run this program. When I will run this program, it will ask me to enter the number. Now I'm going to enter the number 5. Factorial is 120. If I will enter the value is 6, it will calculate 720. Factorial is 720. And when I will enter number 10, then it will return this value. Okay, like this. Thanks and Jazakallah khair.